So this video is all about iOS 13.1 and whether it fixes all of your iPhone issues and how iPad is finally differentiating itself from the iPhone with its own OS. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So iOS 13 was released recently, and I can't say it was a very smooth release for a lot of iOS customers. And that's actually a little bit surprising because Apple's usually pretty good with releasing stable version of their OSs for their iPhones and iPhone users alike, but the iOS 13 update was really just a big mess. Not only did it have some security issues, but it had a lot of bugs. We even did a video about how buggy it was, and in the comment section of that video alone, we had so many of the users sounding off about the issues they were having with iOS 13. To the effect that Apple actually pushed up the date of iOS 13.1 to fix a lot of the bugs that users were reporting to them. This update was supposed to come out on September 30th, but they pushed it up to September 24th, yesterday, to make sure that they can get as much bug fixes out as possible for users that were complaining about all their issues. Everything from your mail app not working properly to you not receiving notifications to apps not loading the way that you're supposed to. It was just a buggy mess. 13.1 is now available, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, I would definitely recommend that you do so. All you have to do is go into your settings, go into general settings, and you have your system update there. Make sure your OS is saying 13.1 because it has a lot of the bug fixes that you need to make sure your system is working the way that it's supposed to. It also includes a fix for two of the main security issues that iOS 13 had, which is the ability to bypass your lock screen and access your contacts, and also one of the privacy bugs that was impacting millions of iPhone users as well. That's being fixed in 13.1. Camera issues or app issues. Apple has rolled those fixes into 13.1 as well, so you want to update as soon as possible. Now 13.1 isn't just a bug fix, it also includes some additional features that are going to be available on your iPhone. And that includes a new AirDrop feature that allows you basically on the newer iPhone 11s to point your phone in the direction of someone and share a file via directional pointing and airdropping that file to someone, and also being able to share your ETA with Apple Maps. While they were at it, they also pushed out the new iPad OS as well. And this is actually pretty big because it marks the first time that the iPad is actually on a different operating system than the iPhone itself. It does have a lot of the features that iOS 13 has, hopefully minus the bugs, like dark mode and all the additional stuff that you got on your iPhone with iOS 13, but this iPad OS also has a lot of additional features that cater to the Apple Pencil and also to that large display itself. So you have a new home screen display, you have different gestures, you have a lot of different multitasking abilities, you have some file management options that you now have in the iPad that you didn't have before. They're trying to make the iPad as much of a different operating system from the iPhone as they can, trying to make this more of a productivity machine, and your iPhone is kind of your iPhone, and now the iPad is going to be in a separate category all to itself. So if you already upgraded to iOS 13.1 or are you still on iOS 13, share your thoughts in the comment section below this video. Are you upgrading your iPad to the brand new iPad OS? If you have, are you enjoying using it? Do you see the difference? Also share that in the comment section down below as well. This video is going to give you a little bit more information about iOS 13 and some bug fixes that you can apply. This video is something that YouTube believes you'll enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. Until next time, peace.